Hello there, and we are playing Shockaway Night, and this is called Coin Dropper. If you get all 7 coins, and then you will be say Shockaway, and you will be winner. If you reach 90 of chance, when you run out of chances, you will be lose the game. That's right. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Honestly, we have to show on the notepad. If you reach that, once you reach 10 chances, we will take away exclamation point. You have to do another 10 times. This way. 1.
That's it right there. Got to charge it. Thank you. Thanks, baby. This good, fam?
Yes. Three, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we have to take away letter Y. Again. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, once that happens, you gotta take away A. Alright, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have to take away a letter W. So we get some of foul. So we're applying close. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we had to take away a K. So it's a kind of feel almost fell. Yes. Actually, it's a bonus stage. This is kind of funny. How funny is that? Looks like we already did 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting close. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you have to take away a letter. Oh, sorry. No. No. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no. 9, 10. Then we have to take away letter O. There are 2 letters remaining, and then fail the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very close. 9, 10. Now we have to take away letter H. And with 1 letter left. And we have to get 7. We should do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're getting so close. We're going the other way and foul the game. 8. 9. 10. And no Shockaway. We are close. No Shockaway. Where? Anyways, this is me, Bowser Next Checkout, signing off.